Now that we've talked about what it means to be alive, let's talk about what do you need to survive. These are factors of survival. Let me write these up and then we'll talk about them. Alright, so today when you woke up and you said, what do I need to do to live today? Maybe some of these things were on your list. So one of them are nutrients. So nutrients are chemical substances used for energy or to build things or make new cells. So too much or too little of anything in the body, and in this example, any nutrient can be problematic. So we need different ratios and proper amounts of nutrients. And the big thing is each individual is different for the types of nutrients that they need. Everyone basically needs the same stuff but in different amounts. So we obtain nutrients through our diets. So we also supplement our diet. So we eat foods, but we also supplement with vitamin and mineral supplements to make up for a lack of a lot of nutrients. So with our sedentary lifestyles, inside on computers, maybe you're not outside for 30 minutes or 15 minutes a day to get that vitamin D activation. So that's an example where you might take a vitamin D supplement. So that was just nutrients. That was an example. Next is oxygen. You're on Earth. You need to breathe. You need oxygen. Humans need oxygen to survive. Earth's atmosphere is 20% oxygen. Oxygen is super important in that electron transport chain as the final electron acceptor. That's where it's like super crucial. So we'll get into that later. Next is water. So humans are 60 to 80%. And we get water from drinking liquid, but also from the foods we eat. So if you eat a nice pineapple, that's going to have a ton of water in there. Or a watermelon, that's going to have a ton of water in it. Humans lose water through a few different ways. So losing it, how do we do that? Excretion, if you've ever had diarrhea, you've lost a bunch of water through excretion. But even your normal feces still has some water in it too. Also sweating. So in your skin, you lose water that way. And exhalation. If you breathe out, you can feel your skin after, and you'll feel it just be a little moist. Or breathe into a mirror, you'll see it condensation. That's water leaving your mouth. So that's exhalation. Normal body temp. What is our normal body temp? 37 degrees Celsius. Or 98.6. Sorry, that's a crappy circle. Degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so too high of a body temperature, you're going to get a seizure and die. Your cells are going to burst. Doesn't like it. Too low of a body temperature, you're going to get hypothermia. You're going to die. Cells don't like it. So we have this homeostasis or homeostatic temperature. We'll get into homeostasis next. And then atmospheric pressure. You've heard, maybe if you've taken a physics class, on Earth we have 1 atm or 760 millimeters of mercury or 760 torr or blank bar. So these are different atmospheric pressure or pressure units that are used to talk about our atmosphere. So the air around is pushing against us even though we can't feel it. It is at all times, and this atmospheric pressure is very important for breathing. So air wouldn't enter our lungs if we didn't have this pressure. Okay, I'm going to stop this video and then we'll finish up this with homeostasis and feedback mechanisms.